Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll guide you through how to navigate the vehicle trade system setup options to configure the vehicle trade system effectively. Navigate to the vehicle trade module in the left side panel to open the drop-down section for the vehicle management area. In the drop-down options, click on the System Setup option to access configuration options for your vehicle management system. On the System Setup page, there are different setup options. We will be setting up the Vehicle Types option in this video to view and manage the different categories of vehicles in your vehicle trade system. To add a vehicle type, click on the Add button to start adding a new vehicle type to your list of categories. A form field will be opened up for you to enter the name to specify the name of the new vehicle type you want to create. The next step is to select the status of the vehicle type that is being created. To do that, click on the drop-down to select between different status options. After filling in the required details, click on the Create button to complete the process of creating your vehicle types for the vehicle trade system. And that concludes this tutorial on system setup for your vehicle trade management system. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to set up fuel types for a vehicle trade management system. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.